Welcome back to Facebook monetization, and in this video we're going to be talking about delivering your content on Facebook. Now, delivering membership content is going to be fairly easy, but the way that you want to do this is you want to make sure to upload your videos directly to Facebook. Now, you don't want to put your YouTube link in there. You don't want to put a Vimeo link in there, even though the videos you might consider them to be a little bit of a higher quality. You want to deliver those videos directly to Facebook. And the reason is because you want to set your membership levels so that people cannot get your content and share it. Now, even if you have a YouTube video and your content is set to closed or private, people can still click on your YouTube link, go to your YouTube channel, and share your video. You want to make sure that at the very least you don't make it easy for people to share your content. And so you want to avoid any third-party systems linking to that content. Now, Facebook does have limits to the size of your video, so that if you want your if your content's going to be too large, if your video is going to be too large in terms of size, you get up above 1.5 gig, you are going to have to re-render that video down to a lower resolution. And sometimes all that really means is that you want to go down from 1080 in HD to 720 or 720 to 480 if your video is long. So you want to just make sure that your video is of a size that Facebook can handle it. Obviously, you want to have it at the highest resolution possible, but typically if you go down in resolution, you'll be able to get your video inside of Facebook and you'll have no problem with the limits. Okay, you want to make sure that your files go to the file area, and you want to make sure that, again, the settings in your membership are either set to private or closed. Otherwise, people are going to be able to see your content if the members share it, or even if the members have it in their news feed. If you have your content or your membership settings set to closed or private, only the members will be able to see the content. Nobody else will be able to see it in their news feed. Now, before you begin uploading content, make sure your content isn't being seen by others outside of the group. Again, your membership settings, your Facebook settings for the group should be set to closed or secret, one or the other. I call secret private, but it's really the same thing, either closed or secret. Any other setting will allow people to be able to share your content, others will be able to see it. Okay, now, again, delivering content is so very easy inside of Facebook. And again, all you'll really need to do is to upload your video content inside of the upload video area. Okay, and so as long as your settings are such that people can't see it outside the membership, your members will be able to see your content. So with that, thanks, and I will see you in another video.